Member for Sinasina Yangumul and former Attorney General Kerenga Kua has called on the government to seriously address the law and order issue in the country. Kua, in an interview with this newsroom, argued that the death penalty could serve as a deterrent against terrible crimes and provide a sense of justice for victims and their families. He believes this will reinforce law and order within society, sending a strong message against criminal activities.
Government igo, na current government now stop, I think 6-7 years, only stop, but not making any headway. In fact, not solving this problem. If anything, actions all taken are counterproductive to the law and order situation. Yeah, so it's getting from bad to worse, destroying fabric na foundation law, Papua New Guinea now.
Kua made the call after the rape and murder of a young Central woman in Port Moresby over the weekend. His position reflects ongoing debates in the country regarding the effectiveness and ethical implications of the death penalty.
Simple talk. Time me talk. You plan need him death penalty as a deterrent. All talk no about evidence. But the minute all repealing death penalty, deaths have just multiplied like mushroom everywhere. Everywhere. Multiple murders in just one setting, one location, one operation. You get many people shot down and killed. And they're not subjected to any serious penalty. They know it. Nothing stops them. You know, instead of removing the barricades to such things like that, bad behavior, you need to put the barricades up, psychological barricades. Alman masawe also mologin pasunungut all two bikes in pasunungut. So by stop law.
He said the reintroduction of the death penalty would require legislative action and would be subject to public and political discourse as well as consideration of international human rights standards. The government during the November session in 2021 repealed all the death penalty laws, which Kua believed opened doors to the upsurge of the law and order issues in the country.
Marape has got to stop this softy approach. Get tough. Be a man. And do the right thing by this country. I'm Tintin Blomia, and I will not apologize to anybody for what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. Only the law will solve your problem, because it is the limitations of the law that is allowing unlawfulness to flourish.
Kua's call for this measure indicates a heightened urgency around issues of crime and justice within the country's legal and political landscape. Freddie Mo, TV1 News.